好，咱继续来关心以色列甲伊朗的冲突。以色列为着要甲伊朗的地下核武设施防护派，甲美国讨一款会当破坏炮垒的炸弹，也这种炸弹会用的更空距离，会当更60公尺。不过，因为伊朗的地下核武设施有80公尺深，敢会当成功来破坏？专家嘛唔敢确定。
虽然美国伫中东的部署增加，航空母舰甲加油机队伍也已经集结，也毋过还未看到美军启用B-2稳型轰炸机执行打击的现象。以色列第10次正式向美国要求协助提供俗称调拨客星代号 GBU-57的机型阵地弹了后，19个提出战略沟通继续中。调拨客星只有美军B-2稳型轰炸机及未搭载甲导航能力。
Israel itself lacks the conventional capabilities to take out such a facility, so it would need to talk to the U.S. about the bunker buster, an American plane with an American pilot dropping an American bomb on an Iranian nuclear facility, which raises the possibility, obviously, of getting the U.S. more directly involved in a conflict in the Mideast, which is something that President Trump has said that he doesn't want to do.
福尔多建伫涂骹底80公尺的舰站内，虽然 GBU-57设计会当探过超过60公尺的空距离，要应付复杂舰船甲加强设施，只拍一粒无够，爱加拍几啊摆。也毋过美军目前库存只有几十粒。
It is the only weapon in anyone's arsenal globally that's able to successfully target and potentially even eliminate facilities like Fordo. It was designed originally with the intent of attacking and destroying targets specifically built into mountains. Initially, that was in terms of North Korea, later expanded to target sets including Iran.
GBU-57的爆炸重量达到110吨，虽然甲卡袂到数万吨的核武器未比例，说是上规炸弹一手，因为弹体真重，以色列各种战斗机拢无力挂载。也毋过美军一只 B-2轰炸机会当挂2粒，有了未来也会当挂伫新一代 B-21轰炸机顶。美联社报道。 一条 GBU-57是一般炸弹成本的几啊倍，而且爆炸可能引起辐射外泄的问题，拢互美国审慎评估敢是出手的关键之一。公司新闻黄连编译。